Have you ever experienced those moments when you feel out of sync, like something's amiss with your vibe, yet you can't quite pinpoint the cause? It's as if there's an unseen barrier hindering your usual spiritual rhythm. Today, we're delving deep into a subject that might shed light on this mysterious sensation, the notion of anti-spiritual traps. These aren't just minor obstacles, they're ingrained behaviors or beliefs in our practices and mindsets that could be quietly derailing our spiritual flow and evolution. Recognizing and comprehending these traps isn't just a journey of discovery. It's a crucial step toward unlocking higher consciousness. Picture peeling away layers to reveal your spiritual potential untouched by these unseen hindrances. Join us as we explore these traps together, perhaps uncovering the keys to unlock even deeper levels of awareness and spiritual enlightenment. Trap 1. Spiritual bypassing. Spiritual bypassing is a complex phenomenon where individuals utilize spiritual beliefs or practices to avoid confronting deep-seated emotional or psychological issues. It's like putting a band-aid over a wound without actually cleaning it. This tendency can manifest in various ways, such as using clichés, like everything happens for a reason, to dismiss or minimize genuine emotional pain. Dolores Cannon's insights emphasize the necessity of addressing these underlying wounds for genuine spiritual growth. Through regression therapy, individuals can delve into their past traumas and confront them head-on, facilitating authentic healing necessary for true spiritual awakening. Trap 2. Attachment to outcomes. Becoming overly fixated on specific spiritual goals can hinder the organic evolution of one's spiritual journey. It's akin to trying to force a flower to bloom rather than allowing it to unfold naturally. Dolores Cannon stressed the importance of embracing the journey itself, with all its twists and turns, as it holds invaluable lessons for personal evolution. By releasing rigid attachment to predetermined outcomes, individuals can open themselves up to the profound experiences and insights that arise along the way, leading to a more enriching spiritual path. Trap 3. Legalistic spirit. A legalistic spirit in spirituality involves rigid adherence to rules and rituals without a genuine understanding of their deeper meaning. It's like following a recipe without understanding the ingredients or the art of cooking. Dolores Cannon advocated for a heart-centered approach to spirituality, where personal transformation and inner growth take precedence over rigid adherence to external rules. By delving into the core principles of love, compassion, and understanding that underpin spiritual paths, individuals can move beyond superficial practices and cultivate a more authentic connection to their spiritual journey. Trap 4. Materialistic distractions. The allure of material possessions and worldly success can divert attention away from the essential journey of inner growth and spiritual exploration. It's like chasing after shadows instead of seeking the light within. Dolores Cannon emphasized that true fulfillment comes from cultivating wisdom and inner richness, rather than accumulating external wealth or status. Practices such as mindfulness, gratitude, and introspection can help individuals shift their focus from material desires to the deeper, more enduring aspects of life, fostering a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. Trap 5. Careless talk and neglecting devotions. Engaging in thoughtless or harmful speech and neglecting spiritual practices can create barriers to spiritual progress. It's like neglecting to water a plant and then wondering why it withers away. Dolores Cannon highlighted the power of words and the importance of dedicated spiritual practice in nurturing one's spiritual growth. By cultivating mindfulness in speech and maintaining consistent spiritual disciplines such as meditation or prayer, individuals can create a supportive environment for their spiritual evolution. Trap 6. Closed-mindedness to diverse spiritual perspectives. Closed-mindedness to diverse spiritual perspectives limits one's spiritual and personal growth by shutting out valuable insights and experiences. It's like trying to see the entire sky through a narrow window. Dolores Cannon encouraged individuals to embrace a wide range of spiritual perspectives, recognizing that truth can manifest in various forms. By remaining open and receptive to diverse beliefs and practices, individuals can enrich their understanding of spirituality and deepen their connection to the universal truths that underlie all spiritual paths. Trap 7. Ego-driven spirituality. Ego-driven spirituality occurs when individuals use their spiritual achievements or knowledge to bolster their ego, rather than to genuinely advance on their spiritual path. It's like using a flashlight to blind oneself instead of illuminating the path ahead. Dolores Cannon emphasized the importance of humility and self-awareness in transcending ego-driven tendencies. By practicing acts of kindness, service, and selflessness, individuals can dissolve the barriers that the ego erects and connect more deeply with their higher selves and the universal consciousness. In essence, these anti-spiritual traps serve as reminders of the complexities and challenges inherent in the spiritual journey. By acknowledging and navigating these traps with mindfulness, humility, and openness, individuals can continue to evolve and deepen their spiritual connection, ultimately contributing to the collective awakening of humanity. In conclusion, the exploration of these anti-spiritual traps serves as a profound reminder of the intricacies and subtleties inherent in the journey towards higher consciousness. Each trap represents a potential stumbling block along the path, but they also offer valuable opportunities for growth and self-awareness. As we reflect on these traps, let us remember that awareness is our greatest ally. By remaining mindful of our thoughts, actions, and beliefs, we can navigate the complexities of the spiritual journey with grace and integrity. It is through this awareness that we can recognize when we are falling into these traps and take the necessary steps to course correct. Furthermore, let us cultivate humility and openness in our approach to spirituality. By acknowledging that we are all on a unique journey and that there is much we can learn from diverse perspectives and experiences, we can enrich our own spiritual understanding and foster greater unity and compassion within our communities and the world at large. Ultimately, the journey towards higher consciousness is not without its challenges, but it is also filled with boundless opportunities for growth, transformation, and enlightenment. May we each continue to walk this path with courage, humility, and an unwavering commitment to truth, love, and compassion. And may our collective efforts contribute to the awakening of humanity and the realization of a more harmonious and enlightened world.